ചെസ് നമ്പർ 116. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പ്രസംഗം. വേദിയിൽ നടക്കുന്നത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പ്രസംഗമാണ്. ചെസ് നമ്പർ 116.
Assalamu alaikum. Honorable Chairman, respected teachers and my beloved friends. On this special occasion, I am very glad to meet you. I don't know how to express my heartfelt thanks to you. First of all, I praise Almighty Allah, who blessed me with His golden child. Dear brothers, now we are celebrating the birthday of our great dear Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So, I think it will be better to share some of my thoughts about Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his attractive character. During Islam, why do we celebrate the birthday of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? But we can say there is an obligation to do so, because if it was not said, what will your condition? Yes, it is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent into a society where the three things were essential: wine, war, and woman. However, within 23 years, he made them the leader and winner of both the world. They understood the beautiful share of Islam and spent their effort to spread Islam. Here, let us get ready to follow the path of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we should love him as he says. لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى أكون أحب إليه من والده وولده والناس أجمعين. May Allah bless us all. I conclude my short speech. Assalamu alaikum.